for us in Texas, it's more like, why don't you not eat 5 chicken fried steaks this week? Let's cut that back and, and maintain some health, and maybe mashed potatoes and gravy, let's not quite as much this week. So, but I think people are more and more aware of that, and I think that's going to be a huge factor in the future, because, as you know, that there's, at least in the U.S., there's so many of us that are getting older, and if we don't take care of ourselves, it's not going to be. It'll be very ugly and very expensive.
Do you think about, I guess, a biblical connection to what you're doing as far as the health and the wellness of the body, in terms of what you're doing?